I can tell you know me well, and it's clear